Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share with a friend. And if you are a returning subscriber, please don't forget to like, comment, and share with a friend. Today's video I'm going to be doing the 5-minute everyday makeup challenge, and let's get straight to the video. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna go in with my Milk Hydro Grip primer. And I probably didn't put on enough, but. And for foundation, I'm going in with my MAC and putting it on the back of my hand because I want to make sure that I have enough to do every single step that I do in 5 minutes. My main thing is with the not the concealer, is with the eyeshadow. If I'm gonna have enough time to blend that out. As well as have enough time to make sure that my face is completely blended before moving on to anything else. And I need some more foundation. We're at 3 minutes, 36 seconds. So far, so good. With the concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape. This is the shade Deep. And I'm only going to put it under my eyes and then down the center of my nose. And while that's doing its thing real quick, let's go in with the eyeshadow. And I'm just using some bronzer. Okay. Now blend this out on my nose. Oh man, I got 1 minute and 45 seconds left. I really gotta get to it. Go back in with my foundation brush just to clean that up a little bit so there's no harsh lines. Oh, where did my sponge go? No, this is not happening. I got 1 minute left. Using that same brush for the bronzer, just adding a little glitter. Flipping it over just to make sure that that's nicely blended. Y'all, I'm gonna poke my eye out. I got 10 minutes. Done. So that is all I really do. Let me stop the timer. I'm doing a, you know, easy everyday makeup look, minus this glitter that's sitting right here and this edge of my brows, but that is fine. I don't add no other blush. I do add setting spray, but of course I didn't have time for that. But not all the time do I add setting spray, you guys, because I did add powder. And yeah, this is how everything turned out and everything looks. And it's very simple, very easy. I almost didn't make it to do the mascara, but the mascara made the look even better. Sorry that I'm looking, because I'm looking at myself in my phone to see that I missed anything. And yeah, I think everything turned out good at the same time. But this was an easy and fun challenge. The next one I'm gonna challenge myself and do a different type of eyeshadow. And yeah, I would like to challenge myself and do my brows, but I know for sure it's gonna take me a lot longer to do my brows, because I will have to, you're not just doing your brows, you're doing your brows plus your whole face. So I will have to really debate if I really want to do that one. But like I said, this one was easy and fun. Comment down below what you think of the look. And yeah, that's the end of this video. Hope you all like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share with a friend. Again, my posting days are every Sunday, Tuesday, Friday, and every other Saturday. Have a nice day.